Hi, good day everyone, and welcome to this week's Make It Snappy session. You are here with Yashin from Modern OneSolve, and the tool or function I will be showing you how to work with today is going to be the split command. So the split command is a efficient tool that will allow you to divide your geometry into separate entities. So let's have a look at how this works. I can simply activate the split command from my ribbon and hover it over the geometric entities that I'd like to separate. So for example, I will hover my cursor over the circle at the top, and where the circle meets the horizontal or vertical lines of other geometry, it's going to create two X marks which divide the geometry into two separate entities. So those X's are essentially the breakpoints. Once I confirm that input, what you'll notice is that circle has now been split into two, and I can go and remove that piece of geometry. So what I want to do over here is split the vertical and horizontal lines so I can remove the smaller segments that are covering the arc. In order to do that, I will start the split command again, head over to the horizontal line, and where it meets the arc it creates a little breakpoint, and that will separate that line into two separate entities. And I can follow a similar process for the vertical line. And of course, once that's done, I can remove the additional segments that I don't want to use anymore. So just to do that process one more time, I'm going to run the split tool, separate the circle into two different elements, delete the remaining elements, and process that again for the horizontal and vertical lines, and remove the separate entities that I don't want left behind. So that pretty much summarizes how the split tool works inside of Inventor. Hopefully you enjoyed that session. Please head over to our YouTube channel to have a look at some of our other videos.